There was a famous Maginot Line. I don't know if you've ever heard of the Maginot Line, but the Maginot Line was a fortification that was set up by the French between the French and German border. The Germans would never be able to go across that, so that was protecting the French. And Belgium, a little country, German had reassured Belgium that it would thoroughly respect its neutrality. So come May 10th, 1940, there was no respect of the neutrality, and we woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning with bombs coming. No, actually, we weren't bombed yet, but there were anti-aircraft sound, and what happened is when I woke up, my parents were in front. We had a big glass window going to the front of the street, and they were looking up, and what I saw as I came near them was little planes in the sky and puffs of smoke surrounding them, and I understood that it was German planes. Belgians were trying to shoot him down, but I don't think succeeded very well. And pretty soon Belgium was invaded. The Maginot Line was like a puddle. It was totally overcome, and I was very concerned. For me, I didn't get what war was. War was what? Maybe like, do the two armies go someplace and battle each other out, or, I had no idea. So the mystery was very, very disconcerting. And when Dad said he had to leave, I got very worried because I didn't know if he was going to make it back. I didn't know if I wrote about that in a way that says, I didn't know how to imagine the war. So I thought it was perhaps that we were going to have soldiers come through our streets any minute now.